I just made these ads in less than 10 minutes.
If you work in public, you need these.
Wait, this is heavy? Oh, wow.
And some of these were only made using one click. And the only two tools that I used to make these was Claude and Higgsfield's new marketing studio. These type of ads used to cost thousands or even tens of thousands in agency fees or influencer fees. As well as the money, you'd usually have to wait weeks as well to get the content back to actually use. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make 4 different styles of ads for any product, so you don't have to spend thousands in agency or influencer fees anymore. Now, if you guys do want to follow along with me, I will leave Higgsfield linked in the description so that you can check them out and create these videos for yourself. By the end of this video, you guys can also make ads like these very easily. So the first type of ad that we are going to create is an AI UGC ad. So to create these ads, like I said, we've been using the new Higgsfield marketing studio that we can see on my laptop now. And the first thing that we are going to want to do is we're going to want to select product if our ad is about a product, or you can also choose it as an app if you wanted to do it for an app. We'll go product, and then obviously the style we're going to choose is going to be UGC. The ratio is going to be 9:16 because we want it for social media. Quality, we're just going to go with 720p because that is good enough for now. And then the time, we're actually going to take it to 10 seconds for our UGC ad. Now, as we are of course doing a product, I actually need a product to promote. So I've decided to go and promote these headphones that I have lying around on my desk. So there are a few clever ways that you can do this, such as taking the link of the product and pasting it in here, or you can manually upload the photos of your product so that they can make a good AI representation of it. So I've already done that here, as you can see, and the only thing that is in it is literally just these 2 photos and then a slight description of what the product is. So once you've done that and you're happy with it, you can hit save, and then you are simply just going to select that product and close it down. Now, to make the prompts as good as possible, we are going to be using the help of Claude. So if I come over here, as you can see, I've already gone ahead and done this for the headphones, but we're going to make a different style of UGC ad using the same headphones now. And I'm just going to change it slightly to be a slightly different style of UGC ad. So once I've come up with that prompt, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back with the prompt, and it's just something pretty basic. Like, I haven't done anything crazy here. All I've asked it to do is give us a structure for a 10-second long AI UGC ad from someone that is using the headphones in a cafe and is talking about how they are really helpful because of the active noise cancelling. So then we're simply just going to go ahead and hit generate, and it is going to create that prompt for us. And as you can see, it's now created that prompt for us. I'm just simply going to copy the part that we want, and then all we're going to do is just come over to Higgsfield and we will paste this in here, and then we're just simply going to hit generate, and it should start creating a good ad for us that is as we described. So we'll be back once this has generated. This usually takes about 5 minutes, so we'll be back when it's done. Okay, so we're back, and this is the UGC ad that is generated.
Working from a cafe is impossible unless you have these. Active noise canceling, literal lifesaver. If you work in public, you need these. Links in my bio.
So as you can see, it generated a pretty solid video. Bear in mind that these are probably not the best product for these type of ads, but yeah, with a very simple prompt, it has still done a pretty good job. Okay, so now for the next ad that we're going to create is going to be something a little bit more cinematic. So once again, in the Higgsfield marketing studio, as you can see, everything is going to be pretty much exactly the same, except for this time, you're going to go and select this one here, which is called Hypermotion, which is just a cool way to create a very professional visual sort of representation of your product. And for this product, we're actually going to be creating it for a drink that doesn't exist. I literally just generated this drinks brand in Higgsfield earlier. So we're going to take the image that we like the most. So they all look pretty good, but I quite like this one here. So we'll just download this image. And then as that is now downloaded, we're just going to come over here and we're going to upload the media of the drink that we have. And then once we have that image, we are of course going to make a product for it. So once again, we'll just hit create manually. And then we're just going to upload that photo and then create our description, and then we'll be good to go. Okay, so AI has already filled all of this out for us. So you can just hit create product. And now we'll just select this product. And then for this Hypermotion style, while you can also describe what you want the ad to do, I'm just gonna hit generate and let Higgsfield do its thing and see what it can come up with. So for this one, you literally don't even need a prompt. So once again, we'll be back in about 5 minutes once this ad has been generated for us. Okay, so we are now back, and this is the video that is generated for us without any prompts and just one simple AI generated photo of our AI generated product. So let's see what it turns out like. So I'd say it's actually a very good ad, and genuinely you wouldn't be able to tell that this is AI. And from my knowledge of marketing costs, this video would have cost this fake brand literally thousands of dollars to create just a few years ago. But now with AI, we can create videos like this for basically free. Now there are a few tiny things that I didn't really love, like the pip in the orange, because I think it makes it look a little bit more fake. And to be honest, with this style of content anyway, you kind of want everything to look perfect, so it didn't need the pip to try and make it look real. And the one other thing that I think would have been a slight improvement was if a hand actually came and opened this rather than it just bursting open like that. But it's still not bad, and yeah, overall, very happy with how this video turned out. Now with that being said, if you did want to edit this video, fortunately we do have the option to, so you can either hit recreate and see what it generates you for a whole new video, or we can go ahead and hit the video edit, and we're simply just going to type in what we want edited. So as you can see, I've simply just prompted it to remove the pip and have a hand open the can like we mentioned. So as you can see, I've just prompted it to do the things that we want it to do, and it is going to be using the Kling 0.1 video edit model. So we'll hit generate and we'll see how that turns out like in a couple of minutes. Okay, so that brings us onto ad style number 3, which is going to be generating an unboxing video. So for this one, we are obviously just going to select a unboxing video, and then for the product, we're actually going to test out using the link. So this is actually one of my friend's clothing brands. So I'm just going to copy this and then paste this in here. And then this is going to create our product for this unboxing video. So then you just hit this. And as you can see, I don't even need to do any work. Just simply from the link is going to generate this product and allow us to create a video around it. So as you can see, it has now created this product for us. So we'll just select it. And then once again, as it is an unboxing video, we could go in and prompt it, but we're going to see what it can generate if we simply just by one click hit generate, and we'll see what this comes up with for us. Okay, so we are back and it has generated us our unboxing video. So we'll see what this looks like. So off the bat with this video, one thing that I don't really love is, you know, the fact that the text is all messed up. I mean, that's kind of an obvious giveaway that it is AI, but we'll see how the rest of it turned out anyways.
No way, it's here. This cotton feels so heavy. Look at that graphic. Obsessed. Drop shoulder fit.
Okay, so the actual unboxing part is pretty good. Once again, I did give it a bit of a challenging job, and the one thing it did struggle with was the text as well on the t-shirt. Apart from that, it was pretty good. It was also cut a little bit short, so maybe I would regenerate this and just have it a little bit longer so that, yeah, it didn't get cut at 8 seconds and get cut off. But generally, a pretty good AI unboxing video apart from the small issues with the text. So for this one, just to see if we can get a better version, we're just going to go ahead and hit recreate, and we'll change the duration to about 11 seconds and we'll see how it does like that. Okay, so this is the regenerated version and it is a lot better. Only issue is my fault, and that is in the product I didn't change the name to Euphoria, which is the name of the brand. I just left it as the emblem motion tee because that's what the AI did from the link. So that is on me. But apart from that, I would say this video turned out pretty good.
Okay, emblem motion tee finally came. Wait, this is heavy. Oh, wow. Look at that graphic. Cotton feels insane. This fit is gonna be perfect. I'm obsessed. This is the emblem motion tee. I've been waiting for this for so long right here, and I'm so excited.
Now for the fourth and final style that we are going to be testing out for this video is going to be a TV style ad. So once again, come over to my laptop. We will of course just go in here and select the TV spot format. And once again, we're going to be doing it for the same fake product that we have created because we want to see what it turns out like. So I'm just going to go ahead and select product and select our bubbles drink. And then this time we're going to generate one version once again without a prompt, and we'll set it to 10 seconds. And then we're also going to generate a version using a prompt that Claude helps us come up with that is maybe 15 seconds, so a little bit longer. And then this time as well, as it is a TV ad spot, we'll go for a more TV ratio. So we'll go something like this and we'll just hit generate. Okay, so as you can see, this is the prompt we're going to be going with to see if Claude can help us make a better version. So we'll go ahead and hit enter and we'll see what Claude comes back with. Okay, so as you can see, this is the prompt that Claude has come up with. Now it does say 15 to 30 seconds. Once again, that's my fault for not putting extra details in the prompt, but we can actually do a 15-second ad. So that doesn't really need to be in there, but we can leave it in the prompt anyway. And I'm just gonna go back over to Higgsfield, and then we're just gonna paste in this prompt and make sure we have the correct product selected. And then for this one, we're gonna test it out being 15 seconds long, and we're just gonna go ahead and hit generate. And while we're now waiting for this one to generate, the new one has now finished. So we'll just go ahead and check this out and see what it's turned out like. Okay, so yeah, it's a pretty generic sort of TV ad, nothing too creative. Also a slight maybe mistake there with how it's opened in terms of AI. It's kind of just the thumbs like magneted it up rather than like actually undoing it. But apart from that, it's pretty good. Once again, without any prompts telling it what to do, it is going to struggle to create anything ultra creative. So we'll be back in a second to see what the one with the prompt actually turns out like. Okay, so this is the version that has been created using the help of Claude. which I would say is pretty good. I like that last touch where it also has the sort of name and stuff, and yeah, tells you, and all the text looks really good. Everything on this looks really good. So yeah, obviously using other AI tools to your advantage to make the prompting even better is going to be ideal, and probably even spending more time working on the prompt to get exactly what you want is going to be the best way to create the best videos. But yeah, this is just a little bit of what the new marketing studio from Higgsfield can do, and as you guys can see, the quality of all of these videos is extremely high, and especially on these TV style ones, you literally wouldn't really be able to tell that this was made with AI. Now Higgsfield also allows you to create a bunch of different style of ads, as easy as we've created these ones that I've shown you today, such as UGC try-on videos, product reviews, and also wildcards, to name a few, which is actually very fun to create ads with. And if you did enjoy this video, please be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel, as we are trying to reach 100,000 subscribers. Apart from that, I hope to see you guys in the next one.